We're building an empire!
Of pancakes?
Yay, Pancake!
Okay, Leo, you're on the flower shower. Steady hands now. 1, 2,
And a little more.
Great job, Lily. That looks smooth and ready. Watch out, here comes the first flip. 1, 2, and hop!
Wow, it flew so high.
That's the first floor of our tower. Many more to go. We need banana slices for structural support.
Lily, can you place these? 1 banana, 2 bananas?
Never! We're almost at the top. All right, Leo, this is the most important part, the blueberry crown.
Okay, on the very top.
It's a masterpiece. Tower so grand.
It's taller than me.
Time for the maple syrup finish. Just a little drizzle.
Uh-oh.
It's leaning.
Watch out, Daniel!
Watch out, Daniel. It's dancing.
Well, I think the tower decided it was time to be
It
eaten.
might be a heap now, but I bet it still tastes like a victory.
Definitely. The bananas were a good idea, Daddy. Best pancakes ever.